In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Attio Chrome extension. To get started, open Google search and type in Attio Chrome extension. This is the quickest way to find the official setup information if you're installing it for the first time. The Attio Chrome extension is designed to help you access and update CRM records directly from places you already work in, like Gmail, Google Meet, LinkedIn, and other websites, without needing to constantly switch back to Attio in a separate tab. That makes it especially useful if you want a faster, more streamlined workflow. Once the search results appear, click on the result for tools and extensions in the Attio Help Center. This will take you to Attio's official help documentation, which is a good place to start because it gives you the correct extension page and helps make sure you're following the official installation path. From there, look for the Attio Chrome extension option and click it. This opens the specific help page dedicated to the extension, where you can learn a little more about what it does and how it fits into your day-to-day workflow. If you're new to Attio, this page is helpful because it gives context before you install anything. Next, click on the link to the Chrome Web Store page. This is the page where you can actually add the extension to your Chrome browser. The extension is useful because it brings Attio functionality into the websites you already use, which can save time when reviewing contacts, updating information, or working through communications. Instead of opening Attio separately each time, you can interact with CRM details more directly from your browser experience. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may ask you to confirm the installation, so just approve the prompt to continue. After the extension is added, head over to your Attio homepage and try out your new Attio Chrome extension. This is a great moment to confirm that everything installed correctly and to get familiar with how the extension appears in your browser. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the extension, check the extension's icon in Chrome and pin it so it's easier to access later. That can make it more convenient while you're getting used to using it. And that's it. You've now installed the Attio Chrome extension and are ready to start using it alongside your regular workflow. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.